This right here is the Char-Griller 22-inch Kettle grill. This is going to be the first cook. I got some chicken legs. I'm going to grill them first, and then I'm going to put them to the side and do some indirect cooking. But I'm excited about this. I mean, going to put it to the test. Going to see how well this kettle can cook. And what I'm going to use for the fuel is, you know what? Got a 10-pound bag of Char-Griller lump charcoal. So, I'm going to see how well this goes with the Char-Griller kettle. We're going to pair it together. So it's going to be fun, right? Going to be some fun things. Going to be using new lump charcoal and a new kettle. It's going to be fun. It's going to be good. And so stick around and let's get to it. Alright, so let's just get them off for a bit on there. The temp, it's reading about a little over 300, looks like 325. So I'll boost it up a little bit, get some more air in there, and get the temps up just a little bit more so I can grill. And then I'm going to get them to the side and let them indirect cook. And the reason why I'm doing that is because, you know, I can grill them, but man, you know, if you watch my channel, you know I love to just chill out and relax and just have a good time. So that's what I'm going to do. I want some time to be out here, spend out here, just relax, listen to music, drink a couple of brews. So that's what I got going right now. So I got the chicken legs, as you saw, season it with that Salt Lick dry rub. So yeah, so I'm gonna let that go, boost up the temp a little bit more, and then I'll bring you back. Alright, I want to check to see where they're at right now. Give it a little flip. Starting to get hotter now. Yeah, so that's what it looks like so far. We'll see how long the lump charcoal lasts as well. So we'll see if I got to refuel. So yeah, let's keep it going. Alright, I'm gonna move now to the other side for indirect cooking. want it to be too close to the heat. So we'll see if that works right there. Yeah, some meat right there. Yeah. Let me show you that another way that if you need to reload up on your lump or your briquettes, you move that piece out the center and then you add your fuel. So you got that going right there. But you can also maybe use any accessories, but we'll get to that and see if we can or not. But yeah, so still burning hot. You know, I may need to reload up on the lump, we'll see, but let's continue on. You know, it's above 250, but since it's the new grill, you know, I want to show you how it says to go ahead and how you add more briquettes, lump charcoal. So we're gonna go like that, leave it like that, so it leaves an opening. As you can see, that's what's left of the lump. So eventually it's gonna, you know, die out. I don't know if you can tell, but I got it halfway open on the bottom. So let's get some lump. Let's just put it in like that. So you can see, like that. Like that. And look at this big chunk. Think it'll fit in there? It'll fit, but I don't want to go in to be in there. But as you can see, got another one. So yeah, little piece, and as you can see, obviously it's not too hot. I was able to stick my hand in there, but obviously, you know, be smart and wear some protective gloves. I'm a professional. But yeah, so you know, in this case, with this type of lump, as you can see, it's easy to add compared to other lumps where it's not as whole as this Char-Griller lump is. But yeah, so realistically, you know, if you're not gonna do it by hand, obviously you're gonna have a chimney, charcoal chimney going already, and then you add it, and eventually I'll show that too, how that works. But yeah, so you know, if this wasn't there like that, I would have to remove the whole cooking grate and then add, but that's what it is right there. And I gotta say, so far this Char-Griller lump charcoal has done well. I've been able to adjust the temps to get it low, and it's been doing well and no issues at all. And it's been windy here, so it's been working well so far with this Char-Griller 22-inch kettle. So yeah, but you know, we'll continue on. I adjusted the bottom and top fins to get it hot, and it got over 400. So I just kind of closed it back down a little bit a while ago. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah. There it is right there. So this right here will be closed, so just open it up. But yeah, but I'm pretty sure they're done already. And I did flip them too whenever I did adjust the temps and all that. So yeah, telling you, oh man, that's gonna be tasty. All the charred Oh yeah, that's flavor right there. I know some people don't like it, they say it's burnt, but I say it's flavor right there. Man. Oh man. So that's right there, that's what it looks like. Yeah. So it's pretty good, pretty good. Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna take them off and then let them rest for about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna taste it and to give my thoughts on this Char-Griller kettle. Well, this Char-Griller kettle right here, it did a pretty good job. It really did. It did what it needed to do. So when it came to the lump charcoal, it did a fantastic job in keeping the temps where I wanted to be at. Temps didn't go up, they didn't go down. There was no issues at all when it came to that. So adjusting from the top vent to the bottom vent was spectacular. So that's awesome. And then grilling it, you know, did fantastic grilling in the beginning, and then whenever I put them to the side for indirect, so I put it to where, you know, where the temp gauge is at, so I can know where the temp's going to be at. And with this model, the top vent is upward, same thing with the bottom vent, so all the heat, and if you're smoking, goes and it goes straight upward, not to where some kettles have it with vents to the side, you know, or on the other side. But with this one, it goes straight up, and had no issues at all with that. But so, you know, I'm impressed with it, and you know, for the price being $129, that's pretty good. And you know, you get a tip gauge, you get the ash catcher right there, you know, and 4 legs, and it did well. You know, it did well. But I got this leg right here. Oh man, it looks so good. Oh my. So flavorful. My. Oh man. Oh man. I'm sorry, but once again, I'm eating in front of you. The skin, crispy, flavorful. Like I said, there's people who don't like their chicken to be, like you say, charred, or they look at black, they like it burnt. But man, that's flavor. That's flavor. That's when you're just cooking with your buddies, with your family, and you're just letting the grill just go, just cook, and whoever's watching it is watching it, and at the outcome, you eat it, right? Man, that was good. But this is only the beginning. This is only the beginning. I want to go simple. You know, can't go as simple as chicken legs. But, you know, just looking at it, I'm going to have some fun. You know, we still got some ribs, pork loins, fajitas, a brisket. So that's all to come. That's all to come. But for now, I'm going to say that this Char-Griller lump right here, it's legit. It's not, I mean, it got good chunks. Just real good chunks of it. I mean, they're not playing around. So, you know, you do come across some brands that their lump charcoal is not just how it should be. But look at that. So this is good right here. And from what I know, they don't sell it in stores. I had to buy it off of Char-Griller.com. So I bought it when I bought the kettle right here. So, and still got plenty left. It's a 10-pound bag. So I'm gonna have some fun with this kettle right here and this lump charcoal. But as always, I'm gonna eat, wash my hands because they're filthy. But as always, thank you for stopping by, thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone. Oh man, that chicken leg was good. I'm about to devour some more. Till the next time.